EGR and induction systems can become clogged with carbon deposits that impact fuel economy and performance. The Diesel Force EGR and induction system cleaner is formulated to quickly and thoroughly remove these deposits. The Diesel Force emission system service begins when the Diesel Force EGR and induction systems cleaner is introduced into the diesel engine using the Diesel Force Diesel Emission Systems tool. The tool applies a high-density foaming cleanser directly into the EGR circuit. This rapidly dissolves carbon and eliminates issues commonly associated with EGR component failure without the need for costly teardowns and parts replacement. The Diesel Force Emission Systems tool delivers a powerful scrubbing foam to both the intake and exhaust sides of the engine simultaneously, utilizing normal shop air. A wide variety of intake and exhaust adapters are available to ensure compatibility with most engine systems on the market today. After the Diesel Force Emission System service is complete, a manual regeneration is triggered using a diagnostic scanning tool. The remaining foam from the cleaning process is burnt off in the regeneration process, with only water and carbon dioxide as byproducts. After the regeneration is completed, an oil change service is required. Once this is done, the thoroughly cleaned unit can get back in service. The total time for the service is generally less than 2 hours and is optimally performed in conjunction with a regularly scheduled oil change, reducing the overall unit downtime and cost of service.